How to download and install Facebook Lite on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily download Facebook Lite on your device. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. Facebook Lite is the lighter version of original Facebook, as the name suggests, which will take up less resources compared to Facebook. You can get it directly on Play Store. So what you can do is go to Play Store. Once you head over there, tap on the search icon at the bottom and tap on it. On the search icon, you can just go ahead and search for Facebook Lite. Now, as you can see, you should see an option to download Facebook Lite from here. Since I've already downloaded it, I have an option to enable it, but you should have an option to install. So just tap on it and you should see the option to install. I have option to update, so you can also update the app to its latest version. And once you have done all of that, your Facebook Lite app should be available right here. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.